Elon Musk wants all future cars to be electric. To meet that goal, he founded Tesla in 2003, and he now has his eyes on Germany's luxury car maker, Mercedes-Benz. Tesla is already the fastest growing car company on the planet, and with Elon Musk buying Mercedes, the world's top EV manufacturer is set to become even bigger. So what can we expect from Elon's takeover of Mercedes? How will it change Tesla and the future of electric cars? Stay with us to find out. Back in December 2020, Elon Musk said he would be interested in a merger with another automobile manufacturer if the opportunity was there. While he did not mention any names, the obvious choice for his desired merger seemed to be Mercedes. Elon and Tesla's relationship with Mercedes goes a long way back. In 2009, Daimler AG, the parent company for Mercedes, bought a 10% stake in Tesla for $50 million. Tesla also signed a deal to supply lithium-ion batteries to Daimler for their first electric car. The car, called Mercedes B-Class Electric Drive, was unveiled in 2013. Tesla was an up-and-coming company at the time, and Musk admitted that Daimler saved his company by making a big investment. Within 5 years of that deal, Tesla had grown massively. Mercedes took the opportunity to make a hefty profit and sold its Tesla stock for a whopping $780 million. However, Tesla's meteoric rise showed no signs of stopping, as the company brought about a revolution in the automobile market. Elon Musk's own wealth also increased massively thanks to his other multi-billion-dollar company, SpaceX, and his Tesla shares. He is now the wealthiest man in the world, while Tesla is the most valuable car brand by market capitalization. However, Elon Musk isn't stopping anytime soon. Taking over Mercedes would be another one of his major business moves, and one that is guaranteed to turn heads in the business world. Tesla is the front-runner in the world of electric cars and produces 70% of the global EV supply. In 2021, Tesla produced a record 936,222 electric cars and delivered a total of 930,422 cars, more than they had sold in any other year since the company was launched. On the other hand, Mercedes-Benz sold 2.05 million vehicles in 2021. However, that was 5% lower than the previous year, and they lost out to rival BMW for the first time in 5 years. Even though Tesla sold less cars, the company is clearly on the rise and is valued more than BMW and Mercedes combined. Is this why the merger between the two companies is now possible? Buying Mercedes will undoubtedly establish Tesla's monopoly on the automobile market, and Elon Musk will become the most powerful man in the car-making business. His dream of an all-electric future will also get a boost as Tesla can ramp up EV production fourfold without having to build any additional infrastructure. Tesla also has a lot of room to expand in the luxury car market, and so far it is competing with Mercedes-Benz for an overlapping customer base. Though Tesla has made some inroads in that market, a takeover of the world's premium luxury vehicle brand will allow Elon Musk to further expand Tesla's sphere of influence. According to one stock exchange regulator, Tesla's takeover won't run into any regulatory problems either. If Elon Musk pays 40% more than Mercedes' current value, he can complete the takeover without even asking the stock exchange supervisory authority for permission. Tesla takeover is also beneficial for Mercedes, as it will help the luxury car makers accelerate their entry into the electric vehicle market. With Tesla's battery-making credentials, Mercedes will easily beat competition from other German vehicle manufacturers, including Volkswagen and BMW. Even former Mercedes-Benz CEO Dieter Zetsche has admitted that Mercedes would be open to working with Tesla again at some point. Elon Musk also tweeted out that he was willing to work with Mercedes on a different version of their Sprinter van. However, Mercedes already has an established electric car division. In fact, back in 2017, the company announced plans to invest $1 billion to build a battery factory in Alabama that will produce electric vehicles. Elon Musk wasn't too impressed though, and tweeted that a giant like Mercedes should be investing $10 billion for EVs instead of one. Mercedes CEO recently admitted that the company is almost sold out of electric cars, and despite soaring demand, the tight supply chains have made it tough for Mercedes to keep up. Tesla could be of help on that front, as the company's 6 gigafactories in 3 continents can take care of rising demand. With Elon Musk in charge, Mercedes can go all-electric at a much quicker pace. Musk has also previously expressed his goal to produce 20 million electric vehicles per year by 2030. As the head of both Mercedes and Tesla, that goal will be easier to achieve. Mercedes-Benz, on the other hand, has already launched a high-end luxury electric car, the Mercedes EQS, with a range of over 700 kilometers. which is more than any Tesla model on the market. It is the first Mercedes car to be produced on a pure battery electric-only platform, and some industry observers have dubbed it the Tesla killer. Along with unprecedented range and a solid battery, the car is packed with some luxurious features and technologies similar to Mercedes-Benz other high-end cars. The one problem for them could be the higher prices. Starting price for Mercedes-Benz EQS is over $100,000, which is the highest base price among luxury electric cars. But since Mercedes is the top brand in the luxury car market, they can warrant the high prices. Heading into 2022, the company also gave the world a sneak peek of Vision EQXX, a concept car which broke the 1,000-kilometer range barrier for an electric car. Mercedes has also pledged to go all electric by 2030, and it seems like Mercedes is positioning itself as a direct rival to Tesla's electric vehicle supremacy instead of merging with them. That isn't the only hurdle in a potential takeover. When Tesla buys Mercedes, they will also have to deal with Germany's bureaucratic delays, which Elon Musk isn't a great fan of. These delays were evident during Tesla's push to complete its Berlin Gigafactory, and it seems unlikely that Elon Musk would want to deal with that again. Not just that, Mercedes has a completely different way of operating to Tesla. While Tesla has made a name for presenting the automobile industry with a viable clean energy substitute, Mercedes still banks on traditional fossil fuel cars to make its profits. Getting rid of all that billion-dollar infrastructure doesn't seem feasible. A revamp of the company on top of the billions of dollars it would take to push the deal through would also halt any negotiations in place for a takeover. After the merger, Elon Musk would also have to deal with the whole Mercedes ecosystem. That involves dealerships, regulatory authorities, and the unions. We all know that Elon is not a fan of all that. He famously called out Joe Biden for not inviting Tesla to the EV summit at the White House. He then went on to accuse him of being biased and controlled by the unions, so it is unlikely that Musk will now himself go down that path. Add to the fact that Elon Musk has just bought Twitter, which means he is now heading 3 huge corporations, Tesla, SpaceX, and Twitter, at the same time. Adding Mercedes to that resume will require too much time, too many resources, and massive willpower. So while a takeover is certain to push Tesla and Elon Musk to the forefront of the automobile industry, it doesn't seem possible at the moment. There are many structural issues that can break down any potential talks of a Tesla takeover. For now, chances are that 2 of the biggest car makers will continue to attract consumers while being in direct competition with each other. Do you think a Mercedes-Benz takeover is good for Tesla? Let us know in the comments below.